Why is SCCM so complicated? IT management shouldn't have to be a choice between ease of use or full functionality. Cloud Management Suite is a powerful, user-friendly, cloud-based IT management solution. With SCCM, you get a complicated, unintuitive layout. The CMS console is easy to understand at a glance. Starting a task from anywhere within the console is a click away. With CMS, you aren't limited to managing just Windows devices or Microsoft updates. We support Linux, Mac OS, and have the industry's leading library of third-party updates. SCCM is an on-premise tool that can only manage PCs within the network. Eliminate the need for costly on-prem servers with our cloud-based console. You can set maintenance windows to only run tasks in a time frame that is best for the productivity of your business. Reboot options prevent interruptions with choices like Reboot Later or End User Snooze Reboot. Reports are very valuable within IT management. CMS has detailed reports that are easy to understand at a glance. There's a better way to manage your environment. Start your trial of Cloud Management Suite.